In the dynamic world of media and technology, few stories resonate as harmoniously as that of Darryck Driver, a distinguished graduate of MediaTech Institute. From the moment he stepped into the professional arena, Darryck has been composing a career that's as varied as it is impressive. Upon graduating, Darryck didn't miss a beat before diving into the industry with the role at Freeman in Dallas, Texas. His journey, however, was destined to span much further than the Lone Star State. Recently, Darryck achieved a significant milestone by securing a placement for the Netflix special They Cloned Tyrone, where he is featured as a producer on the song You Ain't Gotta Go Home. Yet it's his role behind the camera that has garnered significant attention. Demonstrating versatility and skill, Darryck was enlisted by giants Nickelodeon and CBS to undertake camera operation duties at the Super Bowl, a testament to his excellence and reliability in high-pressure environments. For those wishing to follow Darryck's multifaceted career and perhaps catch a glimpse behind the scenes of his latest projects, his Instagram, @DriverSound and Production, offers a window into the world of a man who truly does it all. Darryck Driver's journey from MediaTech Institute graduate to industry innovator is not just a story of personal achievement. It's an inspiring melody of persistence, versatility, and success that echoes in the halls of MediaTech Institute. We are incredibly proud of Darryck and eagerly anticipate the next chapters in his remarkable career. Way to go, Darryck.